Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, it's going to be less than 4 months, going to be the Visit Johor Year 2026, which is going to be held next year. So for you foreigners and visitors, if you come here, firstly, if you come here and arrive in the afternoon and you just have a walk everywhere in the housing areas, you will find some goodies right at the street corners and roadsides, right? And here it is, some fritters. Okay, the reason I'm doing this video is because I would like to show you what is because I can estimate, I can assume your taste buds, and usually most of you guys can't stand the spiciness, right? So these are the non-spicy snacks that you can find on the roadside. First and foremost is the banana. Okay, this is called the banana fritters. The type of banana used for this is the Nipa, but I think Nipa is much bigger. Okay, I'm not an expert in bananas, but it is not the type of bananas that you can eat raw. You can eat raw, but it's not going to taste good. So that is why they dip it in some batter, which is consists of flour, wheat flour, and egg. So some of it is crispy, like this part over here, and the rest of it is like so wholesome and chewy, and there are things that you can enjoy, you would like to enjoy during the afternoon before your dinner, during tea break. So this is how you eat it. I mean, you eat it like anything that you eat anywhere. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can you hear that? These bits over here are the crispy parts. Right, the inside remains banana flesh, and the outside is covered with batter, which they fry. So I can say that this is not in the lower end of the healthy level of food, right? There we go. So banana fritters. All right. Next, we're gonna go for this almost round and circle ones, which is the cassava. Right? It is also dipped in batter, same as the batter that is used to fry those bananas just now. So this is cassava fritters. So yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I apologize. I forgot to mention to you about these bananas. Yeah, of course you know how bananas are tasted like, right? So this type of bananas, the Pisang Nipa, is actually quite a little bit sweet, but a little bit soury, which makes it blends well with the batter, which is a bit salty and fatty, right? But cassava, it is a bit on the sweet side. You can see the inside there, orange, much to the orange and dark pink, and sweet side. Not as crispy as the banana fritters just now, but it's just nice, you know, because it is cut in thin slices. Now, 2 down, another 2 to go. Because I got total in here 4 types of fritters. Next, introducing the banana goodies. Right, this is called the Cekodok Pisang banana fritters, but it is not actually, it's not crispy at all. Okay, what they do with this is, rather than the banana that we had just now, it is a whole banana. But this one, what they did was, they mash up all of the banana fleshes, right? And then they mix it with sugar, salt, and some baking powder, if I'm not mistaken, and also wheat flour. and then they roll it into a ball like this, and then they deep fry it. Okay, so time to explain to you the taste of it. Bismillah. Chewy and bouncy, just like eating over and over cooked pancake. You see that? That's the inside of it. You can see the bits and pieces that is usually existed in banana, but as I told you just now, this one is being mixed with flour and then deep fried. So it is sweeter than the banana, and it is even sweeter than the cassava, right? So as you can see on my fingers, it is shiny and glossy from all of the oil that they used to deep fry them. So yeah, for you guys who are health conscious and trying to lower down your cholesterol, you know what I'm saying. Well, the last one is this. This is called the Keropok lekor. It is made out of fish flesh mixed with rice flour and a little bit of wheat flour, and they mash up all of the fish fleshes with all and mix it well with those rice flour and a little bit of wheat flour. Mainly they are using rice flour, and then they deep fry it until it puffs up like this, right? Because it is actually quite chewy and soft at the same time. You see that? Let me pull it apart for you. There you go. The inside, right? The inside is chewy, but the outside is a little bit crispy. So here we go. You know, I know from my experience of watching YouTube videos, not many Westerners would prefer eating fish like this. All of them prefers to eat fish as they were, so like a whole fish and fish fillets and things like that. But this one is like mashed fish flesh mixed with flour. So it tastes fishy and salty and fatty. Well, we love it. I'm not sure about you guys, but you can try when you come here. So we have the semi-sweet bananas. We have the much sweeter cassava. We have the even sweeter banana cakes or banana goodies. And we have the salty and a little bit fatty and fishy taste of this Keropok lekor, like a cracker, some sort like that. But of course, we guys over here, we are not satisfied with all of those sweetness and saltiness and fattiness and things like that. But we need sambal. Everything that we eat, we love sambal. But it is spicy, yeah. But the base of it is soy sauce, right? So they use bird's eye chilies blended with soy sauce and a little bit of sugar to make it sweet. And then we dip all of them in here. Occasionally, not all of them, because sometimes we also like to eat all of these goodies on their own. But then, yeah, sometimes we got bored and then we need all of these sauces. Yeah, this is Malaysia. Malaysia is the place for sauces, right? Things you have to know, right? Now, let me tell you the price of this all, yeah? All of this, a bunch of it, like 10 pieces of those banana cakes, 10 pieces of those cassava, and about 15 pieces of those banana fritters, and about 10 pieces of these fish cakes or Keropok lekor, fish crackers. All of this for 10 ringgits, which is about $2. So there you go. Things you need to know to that so that you can fit your budget. So with all of this, you know, I also saw an American vlogger, YouTuber. He called himself American Hobo. He travels by bicycle all over Malaysia, and he bought this like this, same like this, and then he can eat it for tea break, and then even for dinner and sometimes supper, all in one. So tell me if this is not economical. It is, right? Yeah, so basically this is it. So I would like to take this opportunity to say to you guys, welcome to Johor. If you are coming here for the Visit Johor year 2026, and if you come across me, please say hi, and I would love to help you out with all of the information because I've been living in Johor Bahru since I was born. I was born in Singapore, but I was immediately brought to Johor to live here because my father is a Malaysian. So I've been here since like when I realized what the world is. So I know a lot about Johor Bahru especially. So if you come across me, yeah, please say hi. And then if you have a question or you need some guide on things, yeah, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you guys. So with that, I would like to bid you farewell. Thank you for joining me and watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.